Hey guys, I haven't done a live video in a minute. Oh, you can't turn your phone. Okay, I'll turn it back. Anyways, so I wanted to do one. I do want to do them regularly, and a good topic just came to mind. I have a potential student who I'm helping and giving some advice, and they've tried before without a mentor and had success, but they're struggling and they're in a ton of business debt, like a high interest business loan. And it's so easy to spend money to grow your business. But for me, I just wrote a chapter in the Air Fryer Secrets book coming out by Kevin Stephen Quinn that features over 50 digital entrepreneurs, and I'm really excited to be a part of it. And my topic was on parentpreneur lifestyle hacks. And when it comes to finances, I very expressly write, look, your family needs to come first. I know you have dreams, but you can't jeopardize your house, the food on the table. You can't jeopardize your kids' futures and whatnot because you're trying to build your business. And that hurts to hear. And you're like, well, how can I do it then? And I've seen a lot of entrepreneurs do that, and then they fail, and it's very devastating to their families. You can't put your family at risk. Find a partner, okay? Find a partner who will take on some of the risk with you. Make sure your other spouse's income alone, one income, will sustain your family. Make sure you talk about these business finances with your family and your significant other and see how they feel about it first. If you take out a line of credit, I highly recommend you take it out at 0% APR, and you have to have a proven ad strategy in place like the one I teach in MommyCom, so you can start a small budget and scale and make that money back quickly and pay it off before it ever goes to interest bearing account. And if you're not paying off all your debts each month, then your business is not an asset. It's not making money. You should be having extra money at the end of the month, and then paying yourself, and then also be able to cover all your debts and expenses for the month. If you find yourself struggling, please reach out. I am not a certified financial professional, but I do have some good knowledge. Like if you are stuck in this situation and you're one of my students, you can consolidate that debt with a much lower interest rate. And that is like a great way to go if you're stuck in a bad situation like this potential student. And also realize that your business is an asset. So don't go into debt farther than your business is worth. Like, don't ever do that, because then you can't sell it and pay off all the debt and be in the clear. And do not ever take a lien out or loan out against your home, like a second one. That's just a bad move. But do look for investors, look for partners, always with good intention. You don't want to take someone's money and not give them a good investment, obviously. So I was just thinking about that for kind of a topic of the day, and it reminded me of my Parentpreneur Lifestyle Hacks chapter in the Air Fryer Secrets book that is dropping November 19th. It will be on Amazon, and it's going to be a huge drop. It is full of so much good stuff, and feel for you guys, because it is a struggle. Like, the struggle's real, and you can't gamble your security, especially as a parent. You don't do that to your child. So I've been very blessed to have a wonderful partner who can sustain us if we needed to on their income alone. And everything else is just icing on the cake. And I'm so grateful for it. I hope to retire him within the next 5 years, if not sooner, like tomorrow, because I don't like him being away from me. Is that crazy? Anyway, so that is my entrepreneurial mompreneur insights today and the lesson today. And please, again, if you're my student or potential student or you need help and you're in e-commerce, reach out. I'm always here to help a fellow entrepreneur. I love networking. I believe if you give value, you'll get a lot of value back, and people will appreciate that, and you'll build great partnerships, long-term relationships. It's hard being a solopreneur too. Like if you're using your own money and your spouse is kind of like, and you don't have other entrepreneurs to talk to, it's really important to network, right? So maybe you're in debt and you couldn't afford someone to do a certain project, but you gave a lot of value to someone in your entrepreneurial network, and they're like, yeah, I got your back. Like, I'll hook you up to do this for you on the free or commission based or without my upfront setup fee, whatever. Make sure to just always leave people better than you find them, and that will come back to you. Also part of that mompreneur mindset, that money mindset, so think about today, thinking about growth and security and getting resourceful and creative. And I'm sorry if any of you guys are also in a pinch like this person, and I am happy to help in any way that I can. Thanks. Have a great Tuesday. I'm going to the hot tub.